Brussels, a fire horror that shocked the world. Thousands of shoppers were inside one of the city's largest department stores. Within minutes, it was a raging inferno. Experts believe an exploding gas cylinder was the cause of the Holocaust. Firemen fought a losing battle. Inside there was panic. Those on the upper floors had no way out as the flames and choking smoke reached them. Many jumped to death or severe injury. But no one yet knows how many perished inside. Estimates put the figure at over 300. Among them were believed to be 2 British tourists. Citizens of the Belgian capital were stunned by the terrible scene. It all happened so quickly. Sabotage has not been ruled out. At home in Britain, where fire precautions are under tight control, store chiefs horrified by the Brussels blaze immediately met. They want to make certain that such a tragedy can never happen here.